Hello bachcho, let us read the question. A ring is made of a wire having a resistance R0 equal to 12 ohms. Find the points A and B as shown in the figure at which a current carrying conductor should be connected so that the resistance R of the sub-circuit between these points is equal to 8 by 3 ohms. Option A, L1 by L2 is equal to 5 by 8. Option B, L1 by L2 is equal to 1 by 3. Option C, L1 by L2 is equal to 3 by 8. Option D, L1 by L2 is equal to 1 by 2. तो इस क्वेश्चन का की कॉन्सेप्ट है रिलेशन बिटवीन resistance and length of a conductor and length of a conductor. तो फॉर अ गिवन मटेरियल उसका रेसिस्टिविटी एक कांस्टेंट वैल्यू होगा. So resistivity, which is generally denoted by rho, is a constant. So the resistance of a conductor is rho L divided by A. जहाँ पे rho है resistivity, L is the length of the conductor and A is the area of cross section of the conductor. So if we keep the area of cross section constant, then we can say that the resistance is directly proportional to the length of the conductor. तो इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए पहले जो डिटेल्स क्वेश्चन में दिए हैं उसको नोट करेंगे, फिर इस फिगर को एनालाइज करके वी विल कम टू द करेक्ट आंसर. सो वी हैव क्वेश्चन में ये दिए हैं कि गिवन रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ द वायर, रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ द वायर ऑफ द रिंग, तो उसका R0 वैल्यू है 12 ohms and they have also given resistance of the sub-circuit between A and B R, उसका वैल्यू दिए है 8 by 3 ohms. So from this figure we see that this is one length and this is the other length. तो A और B को कनेक्ट करने से पहले the total resistance between these 2 points will be in the total resistance of the wire will be the resistance of this subsection and this subsection. So let us say we consider the ring as 2 subcircuits therefore if L1 and L2 are the lengths of the 2 subcircuits, then हम ये कह सकते हैं कि R1 is proportional to L1 and R2 is proportional to L2. So therefore we can say R0 will then be equal to R1 plus R2. R0 है यहाँ पे the total resistance of the wire. अभी फिगर से हम ये देख रहे हैं, फ्रॉम द फिगर the two subsections are connected in parallel. The two subsections या subcircuits are in parallel. So therefore R equivalent in parallel, तो उसका वैल्यू दिए है 8/3 ohms. So this will be R1 R2 divided by R1 plus R2, and that is equal to 8/3. So R1 plus R2, उसका वैल्यू जो R0 है, it is given to be 12 ohms. So therefore R1 R2 by 12 is equal to 8/3. So this we can take it as 4 times 3. So therefore R1 R2 is equal to 32. तो अभी हम R1 या R2 को दूसरे के वैल्यू में एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं. सो आई विल राइट R2 एज 32/R1. अभी इसको सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे. सब्स्टिट्यूटिंग इन R1 plus R2. So we have R1 plus 32/R1 is equal to 12. तो इस इक्वेशन को अगर हम सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे, सो वी विल गेट इट एज R1 squared minus 12R1 plus 32 is equal to 0. So solving this quadratic equation, we will get R1 as minus of minus 12 plus or minus root of 12 squared minus 4 into 1 into 32. The whole thing divided by 2 into 2a, which is 1. तो R1 होगा, minus into minus is plus, this is 12 plus or minus root of 144 minus, अभी 4 times 32 will give us 128 divided by 2. तो अभी R1 को सिर्फ हम फिजिकली रियल वैल्यूज लेंगे. सो दिस विल बी plus or minus root 16 divided by 2. So if we take the minus root 12 minus root 16 लेंगे तो R1 negative होता है, which is unphysical. So we will only consider the physical root, which will be 12 plus root 16 divided by 2. तो ये है 12 plus 4 divided by 2, which is 16/2 equal to 8 ohms. We can also take the second root, which is, so this is R1 first root, R2 second root as 12 minus 4 divided by 2, which will give us 8/2 equal to 4 ohms. तो यहाँ पे अभी हमें जो ऑप्शंस दिए हैं उसके अनुसार वी हैव टू चूज द वैल्यू ऑफ R1. तो वी विल सी व्हाट R2 कम्स आउट टू बी. तो R2 का भी दो वैल्यूज आएंगे. सो R2 for the first root of R1 we will get R2 as 32 by 8 which is 4 ohms. या फिर the second root of R2 will be 32 by 4 equal to 8 ohms. So we have for the two roots R1 equal to 4 ohms, R2 equal to 8 ohms. R1 by R2 जो है L1 by L2 will be 4 by 8 equal to 1 by 2. For the other root, when R1 is 8 ohms, R2 is 4 ohms, R1 by R2 which is L1 by L2 will be 8 by 4 which will be 2. अब क्यों हम R1 by R2 equal to L1 by L2 लिख रहे हैं? R1 is proportional to L2, R2 is proportional, R1 is proportional to L1, R2 is proportional to L2. So therefore R1 by R2 will be equal to L1 by L2. So abhi we will go back to the question and see which of these two values will be is given in the option और उसके हिसाब से हम correct option को mark करेंगे. So we are seeing here options में L1 by L2 is 5 by 8 तो ये option तो नहीं होगा. L1 by L2 is 1 by 3 ये भी incorrect है. L1 by L2 is 3 by 8 which is also not correct. So we have got for the two values of the resistances L1 by L2 as equal to half and L1 by L2 equal to 2. अभी क्योंकि ऑप्शन में L1 by L2 equal to half दिए हैं, the correct answer to this question is the ratio of the lengths come out to be L1 by L2 is equal to half. So the correct option to this question is option D. Hope you have understood it well. Best of luck.